bay leaves, cumin seeds, and basmati rice. Iboboil lang natin saglit yan. Ghee, bawang toast, easy craving red curry powder, 2 teaspoons chicken masala, 1 teaspoon inch, pero salt, lagyan natin nuts, and water, bell pepper, 4 eggs, chicken, tayo ng konting salt, konting oil. Try natin ang onion. And basmati rice. Yun. Fried. Hindi na rin natin siya. Craving vegetable biryani. Okay na po.